Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mr. Dotson-Kelly. I am a high school math teacher and today I'm going to teach you about the power of a power product. So I personally like the power of a power product when it comes to the rules of exponents. It takes our knowledge of multiplication and addition and applies it to the power rules. In previous videos we learned what the definition of an exponent was. So if I had a to the mth power, this meant that a is being multiplied m number. We're going to use this in conjunction with itself. So we're going to take something raised to a power raised to another power. So as an example, I would have 3 raised to the 4th power squared. So what does this mean? So one way that I teach exponents is oftentimes the exponent applies to directly whatever is left to it. So what is directly left of the 2? Directly left of it is the parentheses. So what is being squared? 3 to the 4th power is being squared. So what that means is this square is telling me I have 3 to the 4th multiplied to 3 to the 4th. And that is what the square means. The square is telling me that I am taking this twice. But what does the 4 mean? Directly left of the 4 is the 3. So that means that the 3 is being multiplied 4 times. So this now becomes 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 multiplied to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So now I have 4 3's and 4 3's, so I end up with 3 to the 8th power. I don't need to know what 3 to the 8th power multiplies to in this case. This is just simplifying the power of a power rule. The important part is understanding the relationship of 4 and 2 and my conclusion of 8. How do I get from 4 and 2 and get 8 at the end? So remember, my base is 3 and the base has never changed the entire time. But the 8 is new, but it came from the 4 and 2 in some way. So really quickly, let's go back to elementary school and talk about if we had 4 and we had 2 and we wanted to get to 8, what would be our unknown operation here? 4 times 2 is 8. So we ended up multiplying here. You can even see that here as well. We had 4 3's. We had another 4 3's. So that would be like 4 plus 4, which is 8. This is telling me how many times 3 to the 4th power is being combined over and over again. And because we have repetitive addition going on here, we have 4 plus 4 gives me 8. I can apply that with a more generic term. So the rule for power of a power is a to the mth power raised to the nth power is going to equal a to the mn. What that means is because these are being multiplied, it actually doesn't matter which position the two terms are. So a to the nth power raised to the nth power is also equal to a to the mn. Because when I multiply m times n, it doesn't matter which way I multiply it, it's always going to be m times n. And this is a very useful power. When you hear a teacher say power of a power, we are taking an exponent and raising it to another exponent. And when that happens, you multiply those two exponential numbers. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching my video. I hope this helps. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.